What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beast of Bass, and today we're gonna do a farm tour out here at the lake, and we're gonna go to the other lake, go see the horse and donkey cows and everything. We got Thomas back, One of a Kind Fishing. He's starting his new channel. We're filming a video for him later today, and yeah, so we're probably gonna do a little fishing in this video too. Gonna see some of the animals, and so let's get right into it.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong. When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them. That's not what I was doing. And maybe you.
Alright, so the next spot is the barn up here. And right there's Quest. He's busy eating. He doesn't have time for us. But right here is Mary. Mary, stop. He's a good boy. He just gets kind of excited sometimes, but he's a good donkey. He does not like his ears touched. But he's pretty overweight, and he's not allowed to eat anything but grass. Mary, stop. But yeah, he's a good boy. Well, Quest, thanks for not coming to see us, I guess. Oh well. And then over here is more horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 horses, plus a donkey, and he just went crazy, and a horse, and a Thomas, and some rods, and a me. And so, yeah, next spot is a cattle pen. Not much to see in there, just a cattle pen. And there, we've got some seed fields out there. Just, again, nothing to see. Combine out there, sign. But other than that, not much, just seed fields. So, there they are again. But this time, we are here at the barn. In here, just feed room, horse stuff, some tools. No, not much to see in there. There they are. And there's the tractor. There's Mary's stall. There, Quest stall is over there. And not much to see in there. Hey there, Mary. Hey there, Quest. Know this spot pretty well already. Obviously, it's the pipe here. Great fishing. You've seen it in fishing in a legendary spot and the original video on Beast Bass. I know it wasn't a very good video, but sorry. This is the future home site of the Greens right here. So, all right. So these are the cows, obviously, and here's Orange, probably the better fishing of the two lakes by far. And so, pretty big lake, 101 acres. So, there's the cow. This is the pasture we call the triangle pasture because it's a triangle. More cows.
Just because I've seen you've got a lot of bites on top one around here. They don't take that long. You good? Bro, if I get a hit on this, you get a bite?
Yeah, you might have. He missed it. Oh, they're starting to come out at it. I saw it. He swam under, and then he blew up at it. I think he had it.
What, Liam?
guys! Woo! And there you guys have it. Just a little mudding. I hope you guys have had a good day. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, I got a little mud on me.
I think we all did, Liam.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video of Beast Bass. If you want to see more fishing content and stuff like this, make sure to subscribe, turn on those push notifications, and like this video. And yeah, so see you guys next time. Follow my Instagram at LiamGreen72, link down below. And check out Thomas's channel, One of a Kind Hunting and Fishing, also linked down below. So go check.